Yesterday, I started trading on a pocket option with a $20 on my bounce. In a couple hours, I managed to grow my account to $1,000. Now I want to try to repeat this strategy again and continue making profits. I will show you what I did, what indicators I use, and tell you the secrets that I understood. Now I need to set up an account for work. First of all, I choose the type of candle chart and a 1 minute time frame. In the indicator section, I find and turn on two indicators. These are Aeron and Ichimoku Kinko. I go to the Ichimoku settings, changing Tenkan Sen to 8, Kijun Sen to 20, Span B changing to 50. In the style settings, I change the color and white of some lines. It's more convenient for me to work this way. I go to the Aeron settings and change the period to 20. Will make the indicator lines whiter and brighter. My friends, great, the account is ready to work. It's very simple. Now I will show you how to open a trade and how the strategy works, but first I will remind you that in my free Telegram blog you can repeat all my trades for binary options. I share my experience for free, give signals, tell you how not to lose a deposit, help you individually and answer all questions. In general, if you need help, open a link in the video description and write to me. I'm waiting for you. I agree it looks difficult, it looks very difficult, but wait my friends, now I'll show you everything step by step. My first trade was for $800, my forecast is that the price will decrease, the expiration time of the trade is 5 minutes. I press the red button and open my first trade in this trading session. To work with these indicators, you need to do everything according to the instructions, and the first step is to find a good candle pattern for this signal. I just look at the different currency pairs, OTC currencies, live currencies, sometimes stocks, and look for the right moment. I need to find a moment when the candles will completely cross the blue channel. For example, here I see a local downward trend. The channel is broken and the red candles continue to fall. Look at this. At this point, I quickly check the Aeron indicator and look for the intersection of the lines. The yellow and blue lines must intersect, and it's important that this has already happened. As a result, the channel is broken, the trend continues, the lines have crossed it, and this tells me that now is a good time to jump in the market and catch this wave. I work in the direction of the trend and open a trade downwards. I remind you that the time for the trade is at 5 minutes. Later, I will explain which timing works best and how to choose the right settings. Now, let's look at this situation and wait for the result. I hope it will be a profit and I will be able to grow my account today. The trade is profitable and there are already $1,736 on my account. My friends, I have almost doubled my capital in one trade and now it's time to continue. Well, friends, for example, I found another similar situation. All the details are very similar to the last trade, so once again I will open a trade down. This time the amount for the trade will be $500, the expiration time, again 5 minutes. The signal is very similar, the situation is completely duplicated. As you can see, the trade is very similar to the last one. All indicators get a signal correctly, but in this situation, I lose money. Yeah, friends, this is a losing signal. This also happens, and now I will try to explain to you why it happened and how to deal with it. And so friends, the next blue channel is broken, the Aeron lines crossed a couple of minutes ago, and this means I see new signal. Here the green candles are moving up, so I press the green button to open a trade higher. And so one of the most interesting secrets of this strategy is the volume of the channel. Yeah, friends, in order to avoid unprofitable and fake situations, you need to learn how to check the size of the blue channel. Remember, the larger and wider the blue channels of the Ichimoku, the more likely it's to find a profitable situation. In the last trade, the blue channel was weak and small, therefore the signal was fake. Here, I see that the blue channel is crazier, bigger, and therefore it is safer. Yeah, my friends, in general, the size of the blue channel is a good check for the signal. Always pay attention to it and don't forget about it. $828 in net profit in 5 minutes. I have recovered the loss from the previous trade. It's a really cool result, but I haven't reached my goal for the DES session yet. So let's move on. This channel was big 20 minutes ago, but now it looks small. Yeah, friends, overall, this is a good option for work, but if I had less money on my balance, I would look for something else. Let's take a chance and try to work here. The channel is broken, every lines have crossed it, so everything looks good. Very good, my friends. I'm glad that I did not miss this signal. The situation was very interesting. One more profit and my balance is over $3,000. Look at this. $2,000, the final trade. Let's do it together, and if it's going to be a profit, I sum it up. As I promised, I also want to tell you how to choose the expiration time. For example, now I use 5 minutes for each trade, but you can choose a different time frame and work on a different timings. For example, if your time frame is 5 minutes, you can open trades for 10 or 20 minutes. If your time frame is 5 seconds, you can open trades for 1 or 2 minutes if you want. In general, these indicators work on any timing, so you can experiment and try different options. It was a bit stressful, but its trade makes a profit. My friends, in the last minutes, look at this. The analysis was done correctly, and it's a great result. In 2 days, I was able to increase my account to $5,000. My friends, I have shown you that that's real and you can work with any deposit. Write your opinion about this strategy in the comments. It's very interesting for me. Don't forget about $100 for 5 random people in every video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and just write me something to my Telegram blog. Link only in the video description. In the next video, choose 5 people randomly and send money, and that's it, guys. In the last video, maybe next time it will be you. So act right now. Wish you good profits, wish you good trading sessions, wish you good indicators, wish you big profits, wish you good luck, and see you soon on my YouTube channel.